an office space designed for your success and reflects your growth. Presenting Kalpataru Summit, located in the most growth prominent areas of Mulund West on the LBS road. With the high need for office spaces in Mulund, because of the residential growth over years, Kalpataru is a prestige commercial property that brings ambience and atmosphere together and is developing the pinnacle of success. Talking about the connectivity, it is actually connected to all the major business districts. Mulund and Nahur railway station are just 5 minutes away. Airoli, Mindspace, Eastern Expressway are just 30 minutes away. Apart from that, Metro Line GMLR that connects Wadala to Thane is right at your doorstep. This is all about the connectivity. Now we'll be talking about the infrastructure and the office spaces. Coming to the project now. So this project also comes simultaneously with the residential property, and now let's move on to the commercial project. So talking about the office spaces here actually set a statement of how the offices should be designed. It is so convenient. The office spaces come in single corridors and windows facing east with 180-degree rotational doors. There are no beams in between the offices so that you can expand it anytime you want. The offices do not face each other. That gives you privacy. It is very spacious, well planned and private, and comes with all warm shell finishing. Talking about the infrastructure of the project, now it is a 33-story building with 11-speed elevators, 9 ample parking spaces and e-conventional parking also available. With that, the cafeteria is at the podium and terrace level. So this was all about the infrastructure of the office space and the whole project. Now we'll be moving to the sample office. So this is your sample office and this is the reception area, size 7.9 into 8.2. The washrooms are with branded and sanitary fittings and it is sized 4.11 into 3.11. This is the pantry space and the pantry counter is sized 4.6 into 1.6. VRV air conditioning units with every office ducting and piping also available. Restrooms for gents, ladies and differently able people at every floor. Surface car parking is also available. This project is IGP Gold pre-certified project. Now let's talk about the carpet area of the standard offices. So the starting is 465 and goes up till 973 square feet. 1.35 crore plus taxes is the starting price. For site visits, you should contact on the given details below.